screen, and then after I will just once repeat this part for everyone. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so here is the screen where read the three letter words aloud and listen to the a sound. So a, g, that is egg, what I told, r, a, g, rag, r, a, g, rag, t, a, g, tag, that is t, a, g, tag, b, a, g, bag, b, a, g, bag. Next comes a and m. A and m. That is am. Am. And here r, a, m. Ram. That is r, a, m. Ram. H, a, m. Ham. H, a, m. Ham. J, a, m. Jam. J, a, m. Jam. Yes, someone was telling something. Yes, beta, what happened? Microphones on. Now each and every student will put on the microphone. Everyone please put on the microphone. Yes, what happened? What happened? Okay, just listen to me. আচ্ছা এবার শোনো, আমি যেটা বলছি তুমি শোনো। আমার তরফ থেকে নেটওয়ার্ক খুব স্ট্রং, আমি কিন্তু নেটওয়ার্ক খুব স্ট্রং করে নিয়েছি। আমার তরফ থেকে ইন্টারনেটের কোনো প্রবলেম নেই। আই হ্যাভ চেকড ইট। সো যারা দেখতে পাচ্ছ না বা যারা শুনতে পাচ্ছ না তারা আরেকবার ডিসকানেক্ট করে কলটাকে জয়েন করো। আদারওয়াইজ you just, if there is no other way, then please wait for the YouTube video. Okay, because maybe the internet problem is from your side. From this side, my side, there is no internet problem. I am confident about that one part. Better. Okay, তো একটু দেখো, আরেকবার জয়েন করো, দেখো হয়তো প্রবলেমটা সলভ হয়ে যাবে। Okay, so rest of the students can listen me. Rest of the students can see the screen and listen me. Yes or no?
Yes.
ওকে ওকে, দু একজন আমাকে একটু কনফার্ম করো, বাকিরা আমাকে শুনতে পাচ্ছো, দেখতে পাচ্ছো?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much. So let's start with the next. যারা দেখতে পাচ্ছো না তারা ডিসকানেক্ট করে আরেকবার কল জয়েন করো। মাঝখানে আমি পড়ালে দেখতে পাচ্ছি না বললে বাবা ডিস্টার্ব হবে, বাকি স্টুডেন্টসরা পড়তে পারবে না বাবা। একবার তুমি ডিসকানেক্ট করে আরেকবার কলটা জয়েন করো, একবার চেষ্টা করো। হ্যাঁ, আর যারা দেখতে পাচ্ছ না তারা চ্যাট বক্সে লেখো, এখানে চেঁচালে আমি পড়াতে পারবো না। So let's go for the next one. B A T, bat. Come on, all of you repeat after me. B A T, very good. C A T, cat. Everyone together. Wait. দাঁড়াও সবাই একসঙ্গে, আমি শেষ করব, তোমরা সবাই একসঙ্গে শুরু করবে। ওকে, B A T, bat.
B A G, bag. B A T, bag.
Very good.
ম্যাডাম বলবেন, যেটা বলবেন সেটা কিন্তু।
C A T, cat.
দেখতে পাচ্ছি না। C A T,
C A T, cat. R A T, rat. Come on, all of you. R A T, rat. L A B, lab. L A B, lab. C-A-B, cat. C-A-B, cat. No one will write anything. কেউ এখন কিছু লিখবে না. No one will write anything. You just repeat after me. C-A-B, cat.
C-A-B, cat.
F-A-N, fan. Very good, very good. F-A-N, fan. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. C-A-N, can. Very good. So all the students repeated after me all the A sound words. Now students, we are going for our activity book. Yesterday I told you to get ready with your My Activity Book of English. My Activity Book of English. It's page number 8 and page number 9. Open page number 8 and page number 9. Okay. Okay. Just 1 minute. One student is trying to join me. So let me help her out. I have Shirin. I'm talking to Shirin. Shirin, I have already joined the class. So I cannot individually join you. Okay, just a minute. Let me help you out. Afrin and Shirin.
Activity বই বার করতে
Activity হয় কোনটা? Time. Activate. এটা বড় কালকে এটা বড় কালকে এটা
Let's start. I have tried to join Shirin and Afrin. They have called me. So let's start with the next part, that is My Activity Book.
বার কর
একটা লেখা হয়ে গেছে
Okay, it's on your screen. Your page number 8. Page number 8, My Activity Book, will be on your screen. So can you see the page number 8? Yes or no? You can see page number 8 on your screen. My Activity Book. Please write down classwork date. Please write down. It is on your screen also. See, আমি তোমাকে স্ক্রিনে দেখাচ্ছি page number 8 of My Activity Book. Now we are going to do this activity, page number 8 and page number 9. We are going to do this activity, okay? So let's go for the first one. Circle the words with short A. Circle the words with short A in each row. So we have to circle A sound words. We have to circle A sound words. So I am going to read the words for you. C-U-P, cup. M-E-T, meat. R-A-T, rat. And B-A-T, bat. So can you tell me that which are A sound words in this 4 words? Which is the first A sound word? Which is the first A sound word, students? Which is the first A sound word? Who will give me the answer? Very good. And first A sound word is, here we can see it's rat. R-A-T, It's mat. M-A-T. Mat. Okay. So let's go for the next one. And the next one is
pen.
P-E-N, pen. V-A-N, van. P-A-N, pan. And C-O-T, cot. So who will tell me which is the first A sound word in this group? Who will tell me which is the first A sound word in this group? Come on, students. Turn on the microphone. Microphone on. Who will give me the answer? Microphone on kore answer dao. Come on. So I got the first answer. Very good, beta. It's V-A-N. It's V-A-N. One who has given the answer. Very good. V-A-N. And which is the second A sound word? Who will give me the answer? Come on, loudly. Which is the second A sound word?
P-A-N, pen.
Very good. Very good. It's excellent. Oh, my students are very intelligent. Very intelligent. P-A-N, pan. It's P-A-N, pan. Okay. Now let's go for the next one. Come on. Let's go for the next one. It's T-A-P, tap. M-A-P, map. P-I-N, pin. And B-U-N, born. So, which one? Which one is the A sound word?
P-A-P, tap.
Very good, Mrigango. It's P-A-P, tap. P-A-P, tap. Tap is A sound word. And which is the next A sound word? Very good, students. Very good, students. Very good. It's M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. So everyone completed? You have circled these words? Sabai complete korecho? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Now, the next one is match the rhyming word. We are having rhyming words over here. So the first part, in the first part, we have been given R-A-G, rag, C-A-P, cap, and P-I-N, pin. And in the second part, second column, we have been given T-I-N, pin, B-A-G, bag, and T-A-P, tap. So now with the help of pencil, I will show you how to match and which word will be matched with which one. So the first word is R-A-G, rag. R-A-G, rag, over here. So you will match R-A-G, rag. A-G, that is egg. Egg. And here also egg. That means egg and egg will be matched with each other. So here comes R-A-G, rag, and B-A-G, bag. So we will match rag with bag. Now the second one, that is cap. C-A-P, apple. App. So here the next sound is apple. That is T-A-P, app. That means we will match app and app. That is C-A-P, cap, and T-A-P, tap. So cap will be matched with tap. And the next one is P-I-N, I-N, in. I-N, in. So here it will be matched with T-I-N, tin. These two are I sound words. Okay. So these are the rhyming words you have done. So in the next class, tomorrow, we are going to learn some beautiful rhyming words with the help of pictures. Okay. Understood, students? So next here on page number 9. So let us open page number 9. We will go for our page number 9. Okay. It's before your screen, before you. Okay. Yeah. Here is your page number 9. So I would request parents, let the students do with me. ম্যাম আপনি আপনারা বাচ্চাদেরকে আমার সঙ্গে করতে দিন, স্ক্রিনে দেখে দেখে করতে দিন, that will be much better for them. Okay, so let's start page number 9. Here you can see your page number 9 on the screen. So we have been given two pictures apart. Here we have been given two pictures and there are 4 groups, right? So 2 pictures and we are going to get only one letter. We will write in the blank and we will get 2 different words which have been given in the picture form. Okay, students. So let us start with the first one. So the first one here, B-A-G, bag, R-A-T, rat. So the letter A has to be included over here to get the 2 words, that is on the left side B-A-G, bag, and on the right side R-A-T, rat. So everyone write down A in the blank box. Everyone completed? Everyone completed writing A in the blank box? Number 1? Yes or no? I'm not getting any students. Microphones on. Please reply me. You have completed?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Next one. Number 2.
এটা কি হচ্ছে?
Next is number 2. That is V-A-N, van. That is on the right side. And S-A-D, sad. That means this boy is sad. So we got again 2 words as soon as we written A in the blank. A. So everyone will write again A. After writing A, we are getting 2 words, sad and van.
Yes, S-A-D, sad. Sad মানে?
Very good, very good. Sad মানে দুঃখী. Sad, S-A-D, sad মানে দুঃখী. Come on, দুঃখ হওয়া. Next, number 3. Number 3 is R-A-G, rag, which is on the right side. Picture of rag is on the right side. And M-A-T, mat, picture of mat is on the left side.
Rag মানে কম্বল, rag.
Okay. Yes. So again A. Okay. Now let's go for the last one. That is the 4th one. And the 4th one is L-A-P, lap. That is, lap means কোল. Okay, মায়ের কোল. যেখানে যা কাউকে কোল, কোলটা যেরকম আমি তোমার কোলে বসবো. তো I want to sit in your lap. Okay.
মানে হচ্ছে
lap, L-A-P, lap. And T-A-P, tap. Tap means you can see the picture on the right side. It's T-A-P, tap.
Tap মানে call.
Very good. So everyone has completed, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So I hope everyone was able to see the class and listen me properly. তোমরা সবাই আমাকে শুনতে পেরেছো এবং দেখতে পেরেছো যা আমি স্ক্রিনে দেখাচ্ছিলাম? Yes or no, beta? Yes, I can get here lots and lots of. Yes, very good. Now, so just I want to take this attendance over here. So very good. Here comes, and I can see that lots of students are sending me. Okay, I will be giving the feedback of this one within 5 to 10 minutes. Let me check it out and get ready for your next class. I will be back again with your science class. Okay, students? So bye bye.